Welcome. In front of me I have SHARP Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how we can change your screen protector pin. So at the first we have to move on the right upper corner, so use on the remote control arrows and then click OK. Now we have to move to the channel section and click OK to enter. Next we have to pick up the parental controls, click OK. And right now we have to input our pin, so in my case it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. And next go for the bottom and click to change the pin. So right now just input your current lock method. And right now we can set up new one, so let's go for example for 5, 5, 5, 5. And then just confirm with the same, and it's changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.